how to fix Instagram update bug or glitches. So if you want to fix Instagram update bug or glitches, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, your Google or your browser, and search for Is Instagram Down? Or you need to click on the website that's called Down Detector. So what we want to check is if there is some problem on the Instagram servers, and that's what may be causing the bug and cause your app to not function properly. So if you see a big spike in the current time, then you may want to wait a couple of hours until Instagram resolves the problem it has around its servers or in the app. But if this isn't what causing the problem, then we need to offload the app. If you're using your iPhone, you can go and offload the application. Or if you're using your Android, you need to tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Just go and refresh or restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.